Hello. Oh, hey.
何
Are you
もしかして川端
the
さん
driver
そうで
Kawabata?
すよ
Yes.
え
D1GP number 90, Masato
よ
Kawabata.
く来たね
You really came.
まあ
Welcome.
大阪やけど
This is Osaka, but
見てその
look over there.
景色
なんか田んぼがいっぱい
Rice fields. It's Nara beyond the road.
自然豊かな
Osaka's countryside. Welcome.
ようこそいらっしゃいます
はいこれは
Is this your garage?
ガレージということでいいですか
そうですね
Truman Racing is located here.
はこの環境のいいところにありますはいようこそ
Welcome.
いやいやいやいやお邪魔
Thank you.
します
はい
Well,
で何
what are you gonna film?
あの
We are visiting D1 drivers' garages and workplaces.
はい
職場を訪問するみたいな
はい
This is going to be one of the series.
はい
それで
So we came without asking you.
いうことですよ
なるほど
は
まあめっちゃ
I actually have a microphone set up though.
まあでもほんまに
D1 Drivers Garage, Masato Kawabata edition. I don't have many things to show you, but you came all the way, so I will try.
はいよろしくお願いします
Thank you very much. The driver Kawabata is succeeding everywhere. He won the championship with his GR Supra 2 at the 2020 opening battle. He won the series championships 3 times. He is one of the top D1 drivers. He is going to show us his workplace. The building itself is quite small. Originally, I wanted to have a space for my private cars and trucks.
の整備やまあトラックとかを置き場所が欲しいなっていうなんとなくほら
You know how car lovers have their own pit?
ピットっていうかこう基地みたいなああいうの欲しいなっていうのあるじゃないですかもうまさしく
That's exactly what I wanted.
自分の
My own
拠点となる
base, so to
そう
speak.
いう場所が欲しかったんですよねですごいいい
Then I found a really good place.
すごい小さいんだけど
It is small
すごい
but nicely built,
しっかり
so
建物があってでこれをうまく
I decided to get it.
使えることになったんで狭いなりに
It's small, but I like it.
で
Please come inside.
まあ普通に
I got some tire changers,
バランサーが
the balancers here.
これ最近
Recently,
KTC さんにちょっと
I talked to KDC and bought Nipro's full set.
購入しましたこれ
Isn't it cool?
すごいですねこれ
That's cool.
随分高
It looks so expensive.
最近
I started to tune customers' cars,
ちょ
so
っとお客さんの車も触るようになってきたんで、まあ自分
I could use
だけだ
cheap
ったら
tools for my
安く買う
cars,
ことだったんです
but
けどちょっとやっぱりこれも憧れ
I always longed to have this kind of toolkit in my garage,
憧れでこんな感じで
like this.
バッチリ揃ってるんで、まあ自己満足
The
で
whole
まあお
collection.
客さんに対して
I think it
も
appeals to
まあ
customers
いいアピールができるかな
too.
っていうところですね。
いやキャビネットって本当に
I know the cabinets are so cool.
憧れですよね
そうなんです。
I am very happy about
す
this.
ごい最近大満足です。あとこれですかね。
And this lift is new too.
ずっと馬でやってたんですけ
The
ど、
old one took too much time and was hard to
重
handle.
作業とか入るといろいろこうやっぱりしんどいなっていうのと時間がかかったりとか。あと
And also, it's better to lift cars and check by looking up.
点検した方が見落としも少ないんで、これも
I also bought it this year.
成長しました。
なるほど
はい。であとまあなんもないですけど
I don't know what to show you. This kind of cutting machine
曲げの
and bending machine
はドリルとか
and
まあ溶
drills
接機ですよね。
and a welding
なんとなくこの辺
machine.
は小物
These machines are used to process small parts.
まあ車をきれいに
I operate these machines myself to make nice cars.
やるようにしてますあとなんとなくちょっと
I'm a little methodical, so I store all the nails by sizes.
分けてたりとか
And these boxes are for rubbers and small pieces.
とかこうなんかあちこち
I think it's
バラバラ
better to store them in a certain place.
やってますね
I know it's hard to find the right ones when they are all messed up. Yeah, I don't want to take time to find them. And also, it's such a small garage, so I try to keep everything compact. Let's just skip cars for now. That's a press key. Those over there are used to change missions and stuff. The cleaner and the blast to overhaul the engine. It gets dirty when it's painted. It can blast paints on all aluminum parts. It's too much to break parts again and repaint. It can blast paints on all aluminum parts. I guess that's about it. Anyway, I have what I need and a tidy space with everything in its place. That's how I do it. Well, I don't have any problems repairing cars with everything I have right now. I see. As your own base, it looks nice and tidy. Yeah. Soon it will be 5 years since I got this garage. Things multiply little by little. I purchase new stuff I need and get rid of stuff I don't need at the same time to keep the garage convenient. It has an upstairs too. Really? You want to go? Sure. I have a friend who is a carpenter. He made it for me. These are my trophies, China series, and old D1 GP trophies are displayed here. Here's old Croissant sticker. Croissants and my car here. They are my old memories. The jacket I was wearing with Croissant. There is a lot of stuff here. I don't know if I want to show it to you, but there are piles of treasure here. As you see, stuff is stored with individual labels on it. It was more tidy before. I don't like this part now. It looks clean. I have engines and stuff back there. Please. There's a room. It's my office. My private room. Come in. It's so nice here. I planned a lot for this room. Garages are usually a little dirty, right? I want it to be nice, clean space to relax in. A huge and shiny table and a chair. Basically, it works as an office. Simple drawing room with a big TV. Let me turn off some lights. I have nice lighting up here. When I want to watch TV, I can sit on this sofa and relax. He's tidy with remote controllers too. This is my private space. And my important trophy is kept inside carefully. Oh, I know this one. This is a trophy I got when I went to Versailles. The FIA Annual Prize Giving 2017 Versailles in France. The first Intercontinental Drifting Cup. F1 and WRC champions were also gathered at the annual prize-giving ceremony. He stood on the stage as the first FIA Drift champion.
と、まああとはいろいろ
Like that, and these original Supra mini cars,
まあこれもほらポンちゃんの
they are Ponchan's wedding souvenirs.
まあここもそんなに広く
It's not a big room though. I like it a lot.
はい、これ
So this is a backspace of the building.
裏に来たんですけど、こんな感じで
My cars are parked here like this.
並んでます。一番奥が
The last one is a practice car.
真ん中のが
The middle one is for demo runs for overseas events.
イベント用の車で、こっちの一番
The front one is what I brought to D1 China.
持って行ってた車ですね。ちょっとカラーリングとか
The colors are different, but they are all the same
同
car.
じ車なんでこういろいろ
I can switch parts anytime.
で、一番のポイント
The point is that tree over there. It's a cherry blossom.
すげえ綺麗
It's so beautiful in the spring.
から
During the cherry blossom season, I take away my cars and we enjoy barbecues here. It's so nice that you have a cherry tree on your land. I thought about getting rid of it in the beginning for a second. Then I imagined that it had some meaning for the old owners. So I'm taking care of it now. They're not only my private cars. Look here. What a new car. These are normal looking cars. This is actually a used car. Driver Kawabata is selling used car. I got a price board displayed on it. Anyway, I deal with clean and plain used car. I want customers to drive good cars. He chooses cars for customers like choosing for himself. I would ride in this car if it's not sold. I build cars using my free time between races. So is it possible that customers can buy used cars like this and ask you to make them into a drift car? Yes. I'm working on such orders. Recently, I have gotten orders for tuning cars like 180, S13 Sylvia, and S15 Sylvia. The customers must be extremely happy to ride in cars made by you. I'm honored if they feel that way. Anyway, I love these kinds of cars. I just want them to know that I work with care and passion. He loves cars more than anyone. What is this black GR Supra in the garage? What is this Supra? This is my daily use car. Oh, yes? I commute in it. I drive it everywhere. I go to the supermarket in it. I drive it all the time. It's nice. It's like a racing machine. As a Supra driver, I need to drive Supra every day and be ready. Top drifter uses Supra for everyday life. You want it? This car, which was seen a bit during the garage shooting, I would like to introduce this car.
はですね、一応今年
So, Russia Drift Race this year.
ロシアのド
I
リ
was
フトシリー
making
ズ
this
に
car
出よう
for
と
the
して
Russian
制
Drift
作した車
series.
なんですけども、ちょっと今のご時世
However, I gave up bringing it because of the pandemic.
して、行き場なく
So it's sitting here.
ずっとここにいます。
これは今年
You made this car this year?
そうですね、今年完成した
Yes, it was finished this year.
なんですけども、
It's full of surprises.
ちょっと教えてもらえますか。
Please show us.
まずオリジナルの
These
エアロ
original aero
キックブル
parts
ーのオリジナル
made
エ
by
アロ
Kick
に
Blue,
東洋の
Toyo's latest coloring.
これまだ
The reason why it
スポンサー
doesn't have many sponsor logos is that it was supposed to have Russian sponsor logos in Russia.
ここまでベースの
The rear rings is lined up.
まずエンジン見ますか。
Do you want to see the engine first?
見ての通り
A small engine is installed, as you can
小さいエンジン
see.
が出てますけども、今のね D1
It is
ではもう
basic to reinstall a bigger displacement high power engine at D1.
エンジン乗せ替えるっていうのは定番なんですけど、やはりこの車
But
は
I feel strongly that
の
this car must have an SR 4 cylinders
エンジン
engine.
でやはり戦いたいなという気持ちがずっと強くてですね、ただ自
However,
体はかなり
this engine is tuned a lot.
これエンジン
This engine, I bought it from Gocha.
そうなんですか。
Gocha has been using SR engines.
そうなんですよ。で
Gocha, a Russian drift driver, one of the world's best drivers. Gocha's SR is extremely fast and never breaks. Japan is also advanced in SR tuning
ハイパワー
and can create high power.
どうしてもこう
But troubles occur if you drive full throttle for a long period of time.
ちょっとトラブルが起きることが多かったんですよね。なんで
Extrail VE head for troubleshooting. So I had to run it refraining the power. Board Warner turbine, Gocha exhaust manifold, twin Westgates. The maximum horsepower is 725 horsepower. But I need more power and speed, so when I visited Gocha's company, I got to watch him building an engine.
で初めはそのノウハウを
First, I tried to learn the know-how,
もう買った方
but
が
I
早い
thought
な
it was easier to just buy it.
であとはまあ
And the interiors,
まあ
organ sequential and oil pressure side brake.
油圧サイドっていったまあ
They are rather basic.
仕様なんですけども、まあこの辺りも
The seat is
極力
set as
シートを
far
下げて
back and as low as
っていうふ
possible.
うにしてやってるのと、あとも
It's just simple.
もうかなり
It's very simple made.
まあ最新のキック
The shock absorber is Kick Blue high spec. It's more like analog than state of the art. Kick Blue
イメージで言う
knuckles.
と
The image is more like AE86 than old Sylvia.
この車
The radiator is set at the rear. It's got less power,
でもエンジンは
but the engine works quickly and it's light.
そういった意味合いでは
This car's image is like 20 years ago.
そんなイメージで今乗ってますね。
なるほど。へえ。あ、こういう車も今ここにあるんですね。
Yeah, I wanted to perform and succeed, but I don't want to play with it and break it.
させたいんですけど、はい、まあ無駄に走って潰しちゃうのも怖い。
So I'm keeping it here with care.
はい、というわけでですね、
So I showed you around my garage today.
ガレージ見ていただきました。とにかく小さいんですけど、
It is small, but it contains all my dreams and I like it.
だと思っています。一応お客さんも
I have customers lined up.
まあ普通に遊び
You
に
can
来てもらうのも
come visit
いいです
me.
しホームページの
I have my email address up on my website.
載せてますんで、まあそこで問い合わ
I
せ
think
して
it's
もらって
best
から
for
来て
you
も
to
らうのが
contact me
一
through
番間違いない
email
かな
before you
と思うんです
visit.
けども、はい、
Please come visit me. Thank you for today. Extra footage.
なんかこんな
Are you polishing your bike?
川端さん
Kawabata-san. What's this? Masato Kawabata's hobby machines. This is my favorite bike. This is Honda Ape.
普通に走る
It's a nice little
好き
bike.
なバイクなんですけど、ちょっと
I tuned it up a bit. What did you do?
これね、エンジン
This engine. This Ape originally had a 4-stroke 100cc engine, air cooling 4-stroke 100cc engine. I reinstalled a 2-stroke engine. It is CR80 originally, a motocross racer engine. I tuned the motor to work out, turning on the lights and turn signals. I tuned it myself. You did it all by yourself? Yes, I did. This frame is CR80's frame, and Ape's body are welded together. Deciding the engine base position, and look at this drowning mount. This is a one-off product. I made it. First, I decided the coolest position for the engine. And then I worked on the frame. It looks perfect. It is set at the best position. Perfect engine position. It's up to your sense. Exactly. Also, the angle of the chambers is affected by the engine positioning. It is well balanced when you look at it from a distance. Badly balanced positioning of the engine often happens when you install a new engine, NC30 for radiator. I put all my efforts here. I see. Can you turn on the engine? I actually turned the engine on for the D1 message relay. Many people notice it, and I was so happy about that. All right. This response. It's the best. You look so happy. It feels great. I love two-stroke bikes. It's just for myself, but I worked hard on it. And I like this smell. A two-stroke smell. Because it's a racer engine, the fuel is a combination of gasoline and oil. I like the smell of this burning oil. I have a couple more frames. So for anyone who wants to make a similar bike, I can make it for you.